January ninga sang ni som ni paruk ani Donald Trump and Venezuela President Maduro mana North Korea hi aron in rol ngal vat ani kan reaction ngalang.
Well, now let's shift our focus to North Korea.
North Korea lang pakan hoyang.
US military action in Venezuela has sent shockwaves all the way to the Korean Peninsula.
North Venezuela US sipaite che dan kha North Korea pon makati le North Korea po kha athong le ani.
Just hours after Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro was captured, North Korea fired multiple hypersonic ballistic missiles as a
North Korea hian in hypersonic ballistic missile hi Donald Trump and Venezuela President Maduro aman nu loka khanin tam tham tak mai kha kap chuak hal pop mai ani.
Calculated show of defiance. North Korea flexed its nuclear muscles in its first missile test in 2006. Kim Jong Un was seen
kumsang hi paruk khan North Korea hian in nuclear ral thuam hi attest
watching on. According to North Korean state media, the missiles hit targets about 1,000 kilometers away into the sea east of North Korea.
North Korea tuipui North Korea tanga kilometer sang khat vela la hemi hypersonic ballistic missile an ka hian in target kha avaka fu ani heting hian in ngating North Korea hi aron cheng hal na chan kan ti chuanin social media te po in lo mu to mai thei US na ram tam tak angam na chan chu nuclear ral thuam an nei lo wang ani amaro chu nuclear ral thuam nei ho intera North Korea te India Russia te heng te hi chu Iran te po kha an ni thowa an la nei chi lo amaro chu an nei trep to nuclear ral thuam khamo khatiang khanin nuclear ral thuam nei lo kha chu US hianin angam ve hrim ani amaro chu nuclear ral thuam nei te ram kha chu atingam bak big lo wa hey North Korea hianin a hreru ve ki awani chuwan chuanin hetianga Trump and Maduro aman nu lo ka hianin North Korea lampang hian ronin flex vak man ronin show off vak mai ani hetiang ral thuam thalutuk he kan nei ani thiang khan.
During the test, the country's leader reportedly said it's important to maintain or expand a strong and reliable nuclear deterrent because of the recent geopolitical crisis and various international circumstances.
International politics boruak in thakling na salutuk mo changa boruak ron hot thut changa boruak ron daile thut khatiang karleng kan ya wangin North Korea tan chuanin hetianga nuclear ral thuam dang shrim mason zong le athar siam chok zong kalpui zel hi kan tan chona poimo ani anti vetet ani India po hi kan van nei ya nuclear ral thuam kan hi kan van nei le ni hi kan hria tangai kan ram hroi tu te khan khoyang he kha antes kha ni za ha ka en reng ma ro cho akum le antes na mun kha ka thei hil thut engpo ni se nuclear ral thuam kha man kan India ram shwai tu te khanin an lo nei lui kha do dan na tam takara hatianga malampa na an local pui vezel kha tuna hian ke ni hian in ara kan seng ve ani a chan chu nuclear ral thuam kan nei nuclear ral thuam nei ram chu ram dang te hian in anti boy she la thri da ni
Before the launch, Kim also visited a munitions factory inspecting military equipment, and there, the North Korean leader reportedly called for doubling the production capacity of tactical guided weapons.
Ral thuam siam chona mun Kim Jong Un hian in a tlo boka hetianga a tlo nu hianin tun aya tamzok tun aya kan siam chua let siam chuak tur kan ni tiang zong khanin comment kha siam zui ani.
In recent weeks, Kim Jong Un has stepped up high-profile visits to weapons factories, including a nuclear-powered submarine. Well, the last time
nuclear-powered submarine te polo watlo Kim Jong Un hianin hetiang hianin tun hai bi ka hianin khovel hriata nuclear ral thuam kai noi ang chi hi Kim Jong Un hianin an mani North Korea ro rel na rama hian alo to kwal na sa mai ani.
Pyongyang tested the ballistic missile was just weeks ago on November the 7th. The timing of the latest appeared to be
November ni sari khanin ballistic missile kha alo test oboka Kim Jong Un hian tisonin tun hai lo a hanin na test le ani Maduro manani nu lo ka han mo
calculated. It came just hours after the US attacked Venezuela. The Trump administration launched airstrikes on Venezuela and captured the country's president Nicolas Maduro and his wife. Well, Maduro now faces sweeping drug trafficking and weapons charges. North Korea has sharply condemned the US action, calling them
North Korea here in US state dan he adem le
them rogue and brutal, and accusing Washington of blatantly violating Venezuela's sovereignty. Pyongyang termed Maduro's removal as a wanton violation of the UN Charter, accusing
UN Charter dan bot siat na ania chu wa chuanin North Korea hen US adem hle a thau khat lai ha chuanin Trump le Kim Jong Un te pok kha in ngei mel deuh khanin an han om ve le thina amai ro chu ei alpha male ve an ni boxia inti mai te ang no ke kani inti ve an ni boxia Trump le Kim Jong Un hi chu
Washington of trampling sovereignty, non-interference, and territorial integrity. Experts say that the raid raised concerns for Pyongyang, reinforcing long-held fears that Washington is willing to topple hostile regimes. For decades, Pyongyang has defended its nuclear and missile buildup as a shield against what it calls Washington's regime change ambitions.
North Korea lampang poi he tianga a nuclear ral thuam a boi pia siam char chan chan pakhat chu ni min lam video te po han kan react to ani kum sang khat zakwa som nga pathuma tang khanin US na e alal na ti der thong thei ang chi le adu lo dana ram kai shwai thin e an ram shwai tu te kha an ro rel na thut pha tang khanin pai thamak mak mai thena ne eng tin tin moni khan mo khatiang laka inven nan khan North Korea chon in kan tan chon nuclear ral thuam mi apoi mo antia US tena an phal lo chung kha tiang hianin an boi pui ve char char ani eta he chuanin North Korea po hian dem thei lu tuk big lawa khatiang khathil om da na ni po ni se etiang hianin Trumpan chet ala a chuanin North Korea shoi tu Kim Jong Un a hianin Maduro an man thuron dem khop maya chuanin US enting e hanti eldeu nan te po niang no hypersonic ballistic missile kilometer sang khat chuang zeta la target kap fu thei kha a te se kap chuak alo kap chuak mi mai ani hetiang thil hi du chongoi reng pon ti ve thei thawanga maro chu khover hria ta hetiang hianin ati ve zel mai boxia buai na hi chuak viau theia khami kha international politics tunai geopolitics chungchang ano report le thei chu ani video lai mulai theu do ni